her own company, JJE Design and Construct, or JC, sorry. She is also a licensed interior designer. She earned her Bachelor of Interior Design and Master of Interior Design, both from UP Diliman. So without further ado, I would like to introduce, we call it RD Joy, or Interior Designer Joy Ejercita. Good evening po.
Good evening. Yeah, thank you, Coach Yan for the introduction. And good evening, everyone. So, ayan, no, habang hinihintay natin ang pag-share ng screen ni Coach Yan. Ayan. So, excited na ba kayo na matuto about desires? And ayun, thank you so much, Coach Yan. Ayun. So, desire goals of a freelancer. So, lahat ba kayo dito mga freelancing or mga professional, no, accountants? Taas lang ang kamay if yes. Ayun, meron ba akong nakikitang mga nakataas ang kamay? Ayun, yeah, merong mga professional, mga professionals dito, yan. And mostly yan mga mga freelancers. So syempre as professionals alam naman natin na nandito tayo dahil naniniwala tayo na yung pag-attend ng mga webinars at saka mga seminars, mga workshops, talagang best opportunity yan to learn. So, i-maximize natin yan. No? So, sa susunod na slide, makikita natin yung objectives natin for today's webinar. So, yan. In the next slide lang, makikita natin yung learning objectives. So, syempre, gusto natin yan, yung maintindihan natin to understand that dreaming is part of visioning. So I'm sure naman merong iba diyan na gumagamit din ng visualization, 'di ba? And then of course gusto nating matutunan dito na to learn how to set goals. Yeah, not only in business but in personal life. No, and then of course yung strategies in achieving yung mga goals na gusto nating ma-achieve. So dito sa susunod na slide, meron mga housekeeping rules din, Of course, kailangan din natin tanggalin yung mga distractions natin para naman at least malulubos-lubos natin yung learnings natin, tonight. And then, kung pwede, paki-off lang yung microphone. Mamaya na lang yan pag meron tayong mga nasa question and answer na tayo. Pero syempre, mas maganda yung naka-on yung camera ninyo, para makita ko rin yung mga nagagandahan at mga naggagwapuhan ng mga participants tonight. And if you can also rename yung rename yung sarili ninyo diyan sa Zoom, maganda rin kung makikita ko yung first name and last name ninyo. Hindi lang yung halimbawa sabihin natin na iPhone or Samsung, di ba? Ayun. And then baka matawag ko kayong iPhone and Samsung mamaya, di ba? And then lastly, yun nga use your raise hand icon, para lang pag meron kayong mga questions, yan, gamitin natin yung raise hand icon. So, i-test nga natin yung raise hand icon na yan, Of course, sino ang gustong to have fun tonight? Can you please raise your hand? Ayun, o yan, gumagana yung mga raise hand icon. Good, good. O yan, di ba? So, dito sa susunod na slide, ayan. So, umpisahan na natin, sa business goal setting, Doon muna tayo sa business goal setting. So, sa susunod na slide, ayan. So, ilan dito yung nakapunta na sa Disneyland? O, ayan na, gamitin nyo ulit yung raise hand icon ninyo, Sino dito yung mga nakapunta na sa Disneyland? 'Di ba? So ano 'yan iba-iba. Meron sa Hong Kong, meron sa US, 'di ba? Meron sa Japan. So syempre alam naman nating lahat na ang founder ng Disneyland yan, 'di ba? Nakalagay diyan si Walt Disney, So nang nagbukas yung pinakaunang Disneyland sa California. Unfortunately, wala si Walt Disney doon, Namatay siya a few years before nagbukas. So at the opening ceremony, sabi nga nung isang reporter sa wife ni Walt Disney na it's really unfortunate na si Walt was not able to see his dream come true. And ang sabi nung wife ni Walt Disney, sabi niya, actually he did, what si Walt daw already had every detail ng Disneyland in his mind. Ayan, So, it's because of he was able to imagine yung Disneyland, yung mga architects at saka contractors were able to design and build Disneyland. Yan. So, one of Walt Disney's popular quote is, if you can dream it, you can do it. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, importante talaga yung visioning. No? At saka, ito yung pinaka-powerful technique, no, in goal setting. So, syempre, no, ilan sa inyo ang gustong to be able to create the visions in your mind, no, para ma-achieve yung mga goals ninyo. 'Di ba? So, pag nag-set kayo ng mga intentions as a vision, no, the universe, no, has a way talaga of responding to get you closer to your goals. So, let me share with you another story about visioning, no. Merong study na kinonduct, no, sa University of Chicago. And then, sa University of Chicago, ayan, so kung pupunta tayo sa susunod na slide, ayan, ayun. So, meron mga basketball players daw na who were divided into 3 groups, no? And then yung first group, no, may, kung titingnan, ayan, no, so, nung 1950s, ginawa itong study na to, no, by the University of Chicago. Actually, pinangunahan ito ni Dr. Biasotto. Ayan, no? Parang Italian yung name, no? He conducted this study para lang makita gaano ka-importante ba ang visualization, no? Especially sa pag enhance ng performance, no? Tapos ang ginamit niya dito sa study niya mga basketball players, no? So itong mga players na to dinivide into 3 groups, no? And in 1 month, no, yung first group, no, sinabihan sila to spend 1 hour a day practicing free throws. Okay? Yung second group naman, no, sinabihan sila to just visualize lang nila, no, na nag-free throw sila every day. Yan. And then, yung third group naman, no, sinabihan sila to do nothing. Okay? So, syempre, no, yung third group, wala silang improvement. Di ba? However, yung second group, no, gumaling yung shots nila by 23%. And then the first group, no, gumaling yung shot nila by 24%. Di ba? So, yung second group, no, nag-improve sila do sa free throw nila, no, without touching a basketball. And then they were only 1% below those who work, no, who practice every day for an hour. No, halos pareho lang sila actually doon sa nagpa-practice every day. So imagine how much improvement, no, would take place if a player can also visualize, no, in addition to the practice. 'Di ba? So, how many of you would want to start visioning for success? Ayan. So, please type, ayan, visioning, no, in the chat box if you would want to start visioning for success. Ayan. So, can you please, ayan, visioning. Good, good. Ayun, ang dami, no? Visioning for success. Good. Ayan. So, in the next slide, so, ito no, tatanong ko sa inyo, no, ano ba ang inyong burning desire? 'Di ba? Ano ba yung pinaka-gustong-gusto ninyo? No, what do you want most, no, in your life? No, so syempre yan yung mga sasabihin natin, yung mga willing to work hard for it, no? You are willing to work hard for it, or willing kayo to sacrifice yung pleasures ninyo for that burning desire, no? Or yun yung willing kayo to change yourself, no, for that burning desire, or willing to grow, no, for that burning desire. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng 1 minute, na 1 minute para pag-isipan ano ba yung burning desire ninyo. Ayan, so coach yan, no, 1 minute. So, 7:23 na ngayon hanggang 7:24. So, pag-isipan nyo lang, no, ano ba yung mga burning desire ninyo? Is it to be able to spend less time working and more time sa pamilya ninyo? Or is it never ever to worry about paying your bills? O, di ba? Gusto nating lahat yan. Or is it about to travel and enjoy the world? Di ba? Or is it to be able to give your parents, no, or your family a comfortable life? Yan. So, pwede nyo rin isulat yan sa papel, di ba? Para at least meron din kayong kopya ng burning desire ninyo. Ano ba yung pinaka gustong-gusto ninyo, no, sa buhay ninyo? Ayun. Tapos mamaya, no, after 1 minute, no, siguro magtatawag lang ako, no, na kung sinong pwede mag-share ng burning desire. Ayun. So, yan, no? No, naka 1 minute na tayo, no, Coach yan. Tama ba? So, pwede ba, sino bang gustong mag-share, no, ng burning desire niya? Sige, paki-unmute lang, unmute nyo lang sarili niyo and i-share nyo lang. Ano ba yung burning desire mo ngayon sa buhay mo? Meron akong nakikita, pwede ba ako magtawag? Ayan, para lang si
Yes, RD,
Ina.
sige.
Ayan, Ina, baka gusto mo i-share. Ina Marie de los Reyes.
Yes po, hello po.
Oo, yes, Ina. So ano ba ang burning desire mo? I-share mo naman sa kanila.
Burning desire ko for the year siguro 2024 kasi pa-end na yung 2023. So, burning desire ko po is number one, makapag-start na talaga ako with freelancing and magkaroon ng more time sa family. So, yun yung goal ko for 2024.
Ayun. Thank you, Ina, for sharing. So, pwede naman din ako magtawag ng isa pa, yung nakikita ko dito sa screen ko. How about si Gemma Dubongko? Ayan, naka-mute ka, Gemma. Ayun. Wala kang audio, Gemma.
Miss Gemma, nawawala ka, pero narinig kita kanina.
Baka kailangan lang tanggalin na lang yung earphones.
Earphone po, baka po ayaw gumana sa earphone. First timer pa naman ni Miss Gemma, tinawag agad sa recitation. So,
masaya naman ito, Gemma.
Tinatawag pag sinuswerte ka nga naman. Tama?
Oo, di ba?
Siya yung talagang literal na pag sinuswerte ka nga naman.
Di ba? Oo.
Miss Gemma, gusto ko marinig kasi kachat ko lang siya kanina.
Ayun.
Sayang naman. Ang ganda pa naman ng story ni Miss Gemma.
Nga.
Narinig po kita kanina, Miss Gemma. Next, mamaya po ulit. Balikan po
mamaya
ako
na lang.
namin.
Oo, marami pa namang pagkakataon na tatawagin ko si Gemma. Ayan.
Recitation time. Sige po.
Yan. Meron ako nakikita si Israel Felipe.
Naku, yan.
Ayun. Paki-unmute na lang, Israel.
Sige, unmute ka namin. Medyo yan. Kami na
ano ba yung burning desire mo? Ayan. Wala ring audio.
Anong problema? Bigyan ng karapatan sila. Ano nangyari sa audio natin, guys? Kami ba?
Kailangan i-accept lang doon sa may audio. Accept lang nila. Ayun.
Hello po.
Sige, hanap muna tayo.
All good. Ayun na pa. Meron na po. All good na.
Go ahead, Israel.
Yes po. Ako po, first is magkaroon po ng sariling bahay. And then maibigay po yung comfortable life na deserve po ng parents ko po.
Nice.
And makatulong din po sa kapwa ko freelancer. Yun po.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Israel. Ayan.
Welcome
And last na lang, salamat ha. Last na lang, tatawagin ko si Laika Dumalia.
Hello, good evening po.
Ayun, hello, good evening.
Current burning desire ko po is to really achieve financial freedom, lalo na I'm supporting my younger brother on his studies. And later on, for long-term purposes po, I want to provide opportunities to Filipino freelancers din, katulad ni Coach Yan yun po.
Nice. Ayan, maraming salamat, Laika. Ayun.
Laika.
So, ayun. So, ngayon, no, now that you have identified your burning desire, no, punta naman tayo sa next slide. Ayun. Okay. So, no, in this next slide, the slide before that, no, Coach Yan. So, syempre, no, na-identify na natin yung ating burning desire. So, let's make it work for us. 'Diba? So, maski napapagod tayo or we're facing mga challenges, no? Or parang nafe-feel natin na gusto natin mag-give up, no? Itong burning desire natin will keep us going. No? Parang ito yung sa rocket, no, na yung bubulusok pataas, no, until ma-achieve natin ang goals natin. So itong burning desire natin, ito yung magiging parang vital force natin, no, that will drive us, no. So let us look at yung making the goals and committing to them to writing, no. Isulat natin yung goals natin. Kasi sabi nga nung 1979, no, according to the study naman ni Harvard University, no, merong class of graduating students, no, na who were tracked. Yan. Tapos 10 years later, no, nakita nila na 13% na nagsulat ng goals nila were able to make more than double their money, no? And then yung 84% no, na hindi sinulat yung goals nila, no, hindi nila na-achieve yung goals. What was amazing was yung 3% that was making 10 times more money, no, than the other 97%, no, yun nga, sinulat nila yung goals nila, no. They had written their goals, so at tapos araw-araw nire-review nila yung goals nila, no. So how many of us want to be that 3%, no? And ang tanong, when is the best time to start? 'Di ba? Syempre now, no? Let's start now, no? It's never too late. So review nyo yung goals nilo, yung daily goals ninyo, and then magkaroon din kayo ng action plan, no? The action plan allows you to refine your goals. Kasi pag may action plan kayo, no, na papaganda niyo yung goals niyo every day, eh. No? Tapos at least kung meron kayong action plan, at least no na i-improve ninyo, no, yung what goals you want to achieve. No, sabi nga nila, no, yung maski sa eroplano, 90% of the time, of course, ang eroplano, 'di ba? Pero merong mga small corrective actions ang pilot, no, that will make the plane reach to its final destination. So syempre, no, how many of us, no, have focused on i-delay natin yung gratification natin instead na yung gawin natin yung mga gratifications agad. 'Di ba? No? Dapat ano yun eh, minsan kasi nagpo-procrastinate tayo, inuuna natin agad yung gratification. Pero na maganda na i-delay muna yung gratification, no? And then instead of yung mga mag-celebrate agad or mag reinvest agad, no? Para lumaki yung business, bakit hindi natin pagtrabahuhan muna, no? Ng mabuti, no? We should sacrifice mga short-term pleasures para sa mga long-term gains natin, no? So yung burning desire natin will keep us on track. Okay ba? Naintindihan? Yes. Ayan. So pag naiintindihan, paki-type nga sa chat box ang yes. Good. Ayun, good. So sa susunod na slide, ayan. So pag-usapan naman natin ng iba-ibang klaseng types, no? O iba-ibang klaseng goals or different types of goals. No, meron tayong we need to have a long-term goal. So, yung long-term goal is like, halimbawa, pagtatakbo ng marathon. Sino ba dito yung tumatakbo ng marathon? Meron ba? Sige, mag-ano lang, type mo lang sa chat box kung tumatakbo ka ng marathon. Type mo, me. Meron ba tumatakbo ng marathon dito? Okay. O maski lang, no? Pag sinabi kasi marathon, 42. Ano nga naman yun, no? Ang laki nga naman ng distansya ng marathon, 42K. Pero sino dito yung tumatakbo? Yan, yung sumasali sa fun run. Sino dito? Wala pa rin? Or nag-exercise. Ayan, no? Pero minsan kasi, di ba, halimbawa, sabihin natin, no? Ayan, ayun, si Michelle, o yan, jogging, di ba? Ayan, Conrad, si Ruth, ayan, or si Sean. Ayun, di ba? So, pag halimbawa, sasali kayo ng fun run, no? Lalo na pag, ayan, malayuan, di ba, kailangan natin mag-train, di ba? So, ang nangyayari dyan, no? para ang long-term goal natin is makatakbo tayo ng malayong distansya. So, kailangan natin palitan yung behavior natin. Diba? So, ang nangyari dyan, no, dahil gusto nating ma-achieve na makatakbo tayo ng malalayong distansya, nagkakaroon tayo ng, halimbawa, sa diet. Yan, nagkakaroon tayo ng healthier diet, tapos nagkakaroon tayo ng training, pinaplano natin, no? Kailan nagtitrain, nagkakaroon tayo ng routine. So, yun ang sinasabi ko sa long-term goal, no? Pag long-term goal nila, ayan. So, pag long-term goal, no, ibig sabihin, gagawin nyo lahat para ma-achieve yung long-term goal na yan. Papalitan nyo yung mga whatever kailangan yung palitan, yung behavior ninyo, no, para ma-achieve yung long-term goal. Okay, pangalawa, unconscious goals. No? So the minute na you're working on your goals, no, unconsciously or subconsciously, meron tayong tinatawag na law of attraction. Ayan, no? So usually pag meron tayong unconscious or subconscious goals, no, you attract, no, yung mga things that will support your goals in your life. No? Whether naniniwala ba kayo sa law of attraction or naniniwala ba kayo kay God or higher being or the power of prayer, no, the power of intention works, no, lahat ito, no, works. So have you ever set a goal, no, and then sinasabi niyo sa sarili ninyo, oh, no, masyadong malaki naman tong goal na to, no, baka hindi ko ma-achieve. So medyo babaan, yung maliit na goal na lang, no. So dahil ayaw din nating ma-disappoint, so binababaan natin yung goal natin, no. So syempre, no, hindi, 'di ba, kung minsan kung yung goal natin, no, ina-adjust natin, depende kung kakayanin natin ba siyang ma-achieve in the future. No, pero gusto nyo ba na turuan ko kayo ng technique, no, for setting mga stretch goals, no? This is another type of goal naman, no? Kasi yung goals naman, no, in our brain, no, will accept, no, anything, no, basta possible siya. Maski gaano man siya ka-challenging, no, pero pag iniisip natin na possible siya, then ma-achieve natin siya. So tingnan natin tong scenario na to. For example, sa isang company, no, nagse-set sila ng goal. No, merong isang company, no, ang goal niya, no, was to have a sales of, sabihin natin, no, in 6 months, no, 5 million pesos. So for example, in 6 months, no, worth of sales, no. Tapos this year, no, gusto nilang ma-achieve nila instead of 5 million pesos, paski kalahati, 'di ba? Yung stretch goal kasi is, no, pag i-double mo yung goal mo. Pero paano mo i-aim yung stretch goal mo, 'di ba? So sabihin natin, no, syempre pag sinabi natin na dodoblehin natin, no, yung 5 million gagawin nating 10 million. Or halimbawa, sabihin natin kayo, gusto niyo kumita ng 1 million this year. Ayan, 1 million na lang sabihin natin. No, tapos dodoblehin natin 2 million, no? Pag sasabihin natin na gano'n kalaki, parang masyadong malaki, no, yung 2 million. So ang gagawin natin, 'di ba? 1 million na lang, no? Ilalagay natin sa gitna. Pero ang suggestion ko na imbis na ilalagay sa gitna, no, yung between 1 million to 2 million, kunin niyo pa rin yung 3/4 ng 2 million na yon, which is mga ano ba yung 3/4 ng gitna, sabihin natin 1.5, no? So yun yung stretch goals, no? Maski kunin niyo lang, no, yung 75%, no, nung double nung goal ninyo. Yun ang goal na i-aim ninyo. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng stretch goal. Hindi niyo siya bababaan, hindi niyo din masyadong lalakihan, kukunin niyo lang yung 75%. So naintindihan ba yung stretch goals? Yes, oo. Kasi minsan sabihin natin gusto nating doblehin, 'di ba, yung goal natin, no? Pero pag iniisip natin pag dodoblehin masyadong malaki, no? So bababaan natin. Pero imbis na masyadong mababa na naman, kunin natin between mababa at saka yung pinakamalaki, yung gitna nun. Ayan. So syempre, no, kailangan din natin maging realistic, 'di ba? Meron tayong mga goals na we need to visualize, no? And then kailangan realistic, no, na sa tingin natin ma-achieve natin siya. So to be able to achieve, i-visualize din natin, no, in our mind, no, na na-achieve natin siya, and in our mind na-achieve na natin siya, and nagse-celebrate na tayo, no, kasi na-achieve natin yung goals. So yun yung sinasabi naman natin na visualization. So once in a while, no, if maganda rin if you do it now every day, mag-visualize din kayo na yung goal ninyo na-achieve ninyo, and in your head nagse-celebrate kayo kasi na-achieve niyo yung goal niya. So syempre no, to be able to achieve your goals, kailangan consistent din yung effort ninyo. 'Di ba? Hindi yung mag-e-effort lang kayo ngayon tapos bukas hindi na. So kailangan consistent 'yan para maging reality yung mga goals ninyo. Ayun. So okay ba? Ayan. Okay naman? Please type yes if okay. Now, naintindihan yung mga different types of goals and the importance of vision. Good, good. So in the next slide, ayan no, si Tom Hopkins. No, kasi gusto ko lang ipakilala si Tom Hopkins, na international author siya, entrepreneur siya, speaker, and sales guru. Now, sa book ni Tom Hopkins, no, shinare niya how to set goals, no? And syempre, no, you have to be persistent in working on your goals, no? Sa kanya naman, in 3 years, no, he has built, no, a massive real estate sales business from scratch within 3 years. And interestingly, no, 98% of the business na na-receive niya is through referrals, no? So syempre, how many of us would like that? Di ba? So please type in the chat box referrals. Ayun. So how many of us would like to have no more referrals? Di ba? O yan, di ba? Good, good. Ayun. Ayun, thank you for typing your answers in the chat box. So, in the next slide, yan. So I believe naman no na ayan, doon tayo sa may smart goals, no, sa slide 12. So I believe naman no na medyo familiar kayo sa SMART goals, 'di ba? So kung titingnan niyo no sa slide, ayan, ang SMART no is an acronym. No, pag sinabi nating SMART goals, S is specific goals, no? You should also have measurable goals. Yan, goals that are achievable. Yan, goals that are realistic. And then, goals that are time-bound. Ayan. No? So, within the time. No? Hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin, gusto natin ma-achieve na to, pero 25 years na, hindi pa natin na-achieve. Lagyan din natin ng time. Di ba? So, pwede kayong kumuha ng screenshot of the slide para may kopya kayo. Ayun. Ayun. So, in the next slide, yan. So ito naman no, meron din akong ikukwento no na another story no of this group no about yan goals and vision. No, itong group na to no, they were traveling across the desert, no. And then convoy sila, nakasakay sila sa jeep. No. And then no, syempre desert yan. Sa tingin niyo ba meron ba yan mga road signs or mga signposts? 'Di ba? 'Di ba parang wala naman na road signs and signposts sa desert, 'di ba? So, ang ginagawa nila, no, doon sa approximately 5 kilometers na intervals, meron silang nakikita mga drum. So, every 5 kilometers yung mga drums, no? And then, by moving from one drum to the next, no, they were able to work across the desert. Yun ang naging, yun ang naging guide nila, no? Kaya sila nakapag-cross ng desert. So, halfway across the desert, merong sandstorm. And syempre, naligaw sila. 'Di ba? And then hindi nila alam no nasaan na sila, no? Hindi nila alam saan sila papunta, no? Mula do sa compass nila, hindi naligaw na sila. So luckily, merong group of ang tawag sa kanila mga Bedouins, no, na nakasakay sa camel, no? And then yung group na to tinulungan sila no by giving them directions, tapos guided them to safety. So, anong lesson no, ang matututunan dito sa story na to? So, first thing, syempre, meron tayong goal. No? We must set our goals. No? If you want to achieve anything, no, you must have yung mga goals because yung mga goals na to will determine yung direction na pupuntahan ninyo. Tama? Second lesson is naman, is kailangan persistent din kayo. No? So, halimbawa, syempre, no, itong story na to, they went through the desert, hindi siya madali. No, it's very challenging. Ganon din sa buhay, no? Kailangan maging persistent kayo, no? And then itong mga burning desires ninyo will be what will keep you going. No? So yun nga, be persistent and no, you should have your goals and burning desires. So meron nga dito, no? na meron akong kilala, no, na overweight siya, no, and hindi siya fit. But then, no, sabi niya, gusto niya sumali ng marathon, no, ng half marathon para naman pumayat siya. So, ang ginawa niya, no, nag-training siya, pinalitan niya yung behavior niya, nagkaroon siya ng healthy diet, no, tapos, yung distance niya, ini-increase niya, no, every week, paunti-unti, ini-increase niya yung distance niya hanggang nakakatakbo siya ng 21K. No? So, ganun din yon sa atin, sa goals natin. No? Let's focus on the destination. Ano ba yung goal ninyo? Ano ba yung saan nyo ba gustong pumunta? Ano yung mga kailangan yung gawin para ma-achieve nyo yung pupuntahan na yon? So, always keep an eye on your destination. No? Maski marami pang challenges yan, no, na nakaharang sa atin. But, no, we will do whatever it takes to achieve that goal. No? And then, yung nga, no, remember na, yung sinasabi ko kanina, no, na, halimbawa, sino sa inyo ang gustong to have more referrals? So, ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin to have more referrals sa business natin? Diba? Ayun. So, in the next slide, yan. So, nandito na tayo sa section 2, no? Which is about your business structure and operations ninyo. So, the next slide, ayan. So, yung, syempre, no, sa business ninyo, no, so for those here, no, who have your own business or your own company, syempre, meron din tayong mga business development, no? And then sa business development, no, in the company, meron din department na gumagawa ng mga business development. And then meron din na sales and marketing activity, di ba? So in the next slide, meron tayong tinatawag na 5 steps, no? No, in business structure. Ayan. So yung 5 steps na to, no, yan yung mga, syempre yung pag gusto natin maka-receive ng referrals, no, ano ba yung mga conversion rate ng mga referrals na nare-receive natin? Syempre, halimbawa, for example, no, pupunta kayo sa isang shop and then you want to buy something, no? And walang nag-assist doon sa kliyente, no? Or walang nag-assist sa'yo, no? Na meron kang gustong bibilhin, no? Ikaw ba, na dahil walang nag-assist sa'yo, would you still want to buy? Di ba? Parang ang tendency mo dahil walang nag-aasikaso sa'yo, you would, di ba, leave na lang the shop or aalis na lang kayo. Di ba? So, ganun din, no? Pag meron sa sales natin, sa business natin, pag meron tayong mga na-neglect, no, na mga kliyente, no, ang tendency din nila, no, hindi na sila tutuloy. No? So, importante din na you take care of your clients, no? So, ayan, no? So, when you receive business through referrals, so usually, yung mga kliyente din natin, no, will want to feel important, no? And then, of course, no, yun nga, no, they want to be treated, no, well, ayan. So, in the next slide, yan, in the section 3, no, so, ano ba yung mga strategies, no, that you need to achieve the goals, no, that you have set, no, doon sa kaninang exercise natin. Ayan. So, syempre, no, in the next slide, yan, to be successful in anything, no, you will need to have strategies. Yan yung action plan na sinasabi ko kanina. So, ano ba yung mga strategies that you need to be successful in terms of getting more referrals? Yan. So, ayan, no, kanina sabi nyo, gusto nyo magkaroon ng more referrals. So, yung first strategy is increase nyo yung quantity ng mga referrals niyo. Diba? So, would you like to simply get a lot of referrals or would you prefer na to have more quality referrals? Diba? So, meaning, increasean nyo lang ba yung dami ng referrals nyo or yung referrals na nakukuha nyo, gusto nyo quality rin? Diba? So, yan yung second strategy. No? Dadamihan nyo yung referrals ninyo, pero syempre, dadagdagan nyo rin yung quality referrals, not just the quantity. Diba? So, do you want those quality referrals na maging regular ba? Yun din ang tanong. Diba? Syempre, gusto natin regular. No? So, that's the third strategy, is increase nyo yung consistency ng quality referrals na nakukuha niyo. Okay? So, quantity, quality, at saka consistency. Yan yung strategy in getting more referrals. Okay ba? So please type yes, no, if you understand. the strategy. So please type strategies. Ayan, yes, okay, good, good. Ayun, very good. Okay. So in the next slide, ayan. So in the next slide, papakilala ko lang sa inyo, no? So these strategies can be acquired through a referral organization then. So introduce ko sa inyo yung Business Network International. No, some of you may be asking what is BNI, no? So let me start, no, with the vision of BNI, no? It is changing the way the world does business. So when you hear, wow, no, parang it's such a big, grand vision, no? Parang pang Miss Universe yung sagot, di ba? Or yung vision. But let me tell you, no, hindi lang siya vision, no? It's something na it's already happening right now, no? For example, no, sa BNI, no, the philosophy of giver's gain is being practiced. No, it's actually a powerful philosophy na absolutely transformational siya, no? It's focused on cooperation and collaboration. No? Pag sinasabi ko nga traditional business, no? Syempre, pag sinasabi natin traditional, minsan transactional lang siya, no? Pang one night lang yung kliyente. Pero gusto kasi natin yung kliyente bumabalik-balik, eh. 'Di ba? Yun yung sabi natin kanina, no? Quantity, quality, at saka consistency, no? So dito, no, pag sinasabi natin na giver's gain, no, bibigyan kita ng negosyo, pero pag ready ka na, bigyan mo rin ako ng negosyo. No, yun yung sinasabi na giver's gain, no, sa BNI. So, how else, no? Syempre, no, by quickly adapting to the situation, no, that we are now, no, yung mga, if you want to observe na what BNI does, you can actually observe online. So mamaya si Coach Yan, no, can give you the Zoom link if you want to observe, because Coach Yan is a part of that. No, Coach Yan. So please share with them na lang, Coach, the Zoom link, so that if they're interested to observe, no, then they can observe on Tuesday, diba? Yan, thank you, Coach Yan. And of course, no, isa pang strategy, no, na ginagamit din, no, sa BNI, yung building of deeper relationships with fellow members. And kasama din dyan yung time to train, gaya ng ginagawa nyo ngayon, no? You attend, ayan, thank you, Yan. So, you attend trainings, webinars, no, seminars, because you want to keep on improving, no? We never stop learning, 'di ba? No? Sa BNI nga, no, ang kanyang one of the core values is lifelong learning. No, we have to continue to learn, no, so that we will be able to improve professionally and personally, no? Kaya nga yan, kudos sa mga nandito, no, na nag-attend, because yan, you want to continue to learn. No, and I believe na you may not be able to make a world of difference, but you can make a difference, no, in the world. Ganun naman yun, eh. Through the learnings that you have learned, then you can also teach others. Now, when you teach others, then you are able to touch and make a difference in their lives. No, ganun din doon sa sinasabi ko sa BNI, no. BNI, no, is truly changing the way the world does business, no, by making a difference in the world, no, by helping other business owners grow their business. So in the next slide, yun nga, no? So dito, meron siyang, in this organization, no, where Coach Yan and I are members, no, we have 390,000 members, no, all over the world, with, no, 10,900 chapters. No? So this year alone, no, the members actually shared 13.1 million, no, valuable new client referrals. Ganon karami. And out of the 13.1 million na referrals, no, members generated 21.1 billion US dollars of revenue. O, di ba? So, moreover, no, this organization, no, BNI, is present in 83 countries around the world. So, di ba, no, dito naman sa Pilipinas, we have 40 plus chapters with nearly 1,500 members who are all business owners and professionals. Yan. So in the next slide, ayun, no, the mission, no, is simple, no, And babasahin ko lang yung mission, no? And the focus lang on the 3 words na nandoon sa slides. No, that's structured, it's positive, and it's professional. 'Di ba? So if you want to see how structured, no, the BNI is and how positive the environment and how professional the members are, then no you try to observe no in the business meeting on Tuesday that Coach Yanan will share, no. And then of course no the philosophy of BNI no is built upon the idea of giver's gain as what no I have mentioned kanina. So yun nga, pag sinabing giver's gain, no, nagbibigayan sila ng business sa isa't isa, nagbibigayan sila ng referral sa isa't isa na walang kapalit. No, bayanihan culture lang. So tulungan, no, kasi pag tinutulungan no ang bawat isa na lumaki ang negosyo, pati yung local economy lalaki rin. 'Di ba? So in the next slide, yan. Syempre, no, let me talk about the 3 things, no, that you should know then to sustain your business, no, lalo na ngayong challenging times, no. And then find out, no, how a proven business referral system helps entrepreneurs, no, business owners, no, mga professionals thrive in these challenging times. So unang-una, yan, syempre, no, how many of us feel no, a bit challenged in our business right now? So please type challenged in the chat box. Ayun, di ba? So lahat naman tayo, no, lalo na mga ayan, mga business owners or mga freelancers, no, we all go through the challenge, di ba? And then no after ng pandemic, we want things to go back to normal. So how many naman want things to go back to normal? Please type normal in the chat box. Ayun, di ba? Good. So in the next slide, well, I have actually bad news for you, no. Things will never go back to normal. No, there will be a new normal, no, a now normal. So in the next slide, no, in the past few years, nag-shift kasi ang humanity. No, the way we think, no, the way we behave, the way we do things, nag-shift yan lahat. For example, no, all of us have been forced to embrace yung technology. No, itong Zoom na to. 'Di ba? Lahat tayo nag-shift dito sa Zoom. 'Di ba? Before hindi naman natin alam tong Zoom na to. No, pero ngayon because of the digital age, no, we can have no our webinar via Zoom, 'di ba? So in the next slide, ako nga before hindi rin ako ganun ka-techy. No? Pero ngayon, no, I'm learning to adjust to this new normal. Itong ginagawa natin tonight is the new normal. So we used to say no that the definition of insanity is doing things the same way, but expecting to get different results. Pero ang bagong definition ng insanity ngayon is doing the same thing but still expect to get the same results. Yan, no? So syempre, no, you can no longer do things the old way, no? If you think that you can continue to run your business as you used to and then still get the same result, then no, you'll be in a major surprise. So in the next slide, yan. So syempre, no, now more than ever, we have to think out of the box, no, to figure out how to make our business relevant, no, to figure out ano ba yung mga needs ng mga kliyente ngayon, no, to figure out no how to still have that competitive advantage, no. That's why nga nandito din tayo ngayon kasi we want to explore new but yung mga proven methods pa rin no, on how to sustain our business and how to thrive in the new normal. So in the next slide, ayan. So to be able to succeed, no, through the current crisis, no, kailangan natin punuin yung 3 buckets. So let me tell you about the first bucket of the 3 buckets, no. Yung first bucket is the ability to sustain your business currently, no, and get it ready for growth. So in the next slide, ayan. So syempre, no, ilan sa inyo dito, no, ang tanong ko, ilan sa inyo dito ang merong sariling sales and marketing team? Can you type nga You can type 0 or you can type 1 or you can type 2. So meron ba sa inyo dito sales and marketing people niya? Ayan, 0. Ayun. Actually, pareho tayo. Ako din 0. Ayan. Di ba? Ayun. So lahat tayo kailangan natin ng sales and marketing team, di ba? Para lang ma-market yung ma-market yung business natin para sa atin. Ayun. So halos lahat, no? 0. So syempre, no? Imagine nyo lang. Kung meron kayong 45 plus to 55 plus, no? Na mga tao who will, no? Introduce your services for you. No? Okay ba yon? No? At itong mga tao na to, no, syempre, no, itong mga tao na to, hindi mo kailangan bayaran ng commission or sweldo. Okay ba? 'Di ba? 'Di ba? So, halimbawa, lahat tayo, no, yung network natin, gusto natin lumaki. 'Di ba? And what if, no, yung 45 or 50 na yan, bawat isa merong kilalang 100 na tao. So lahat yon will be able to reach, no, 4,000 to 5,000 people, 'di ba? So when this happens, no, do you think masusustain nyo yung business niyo or your business will grow? Now, please type grow in the chat box. Pag meron tayong ganun kalaking sales and marketing team, 45 to 50, and then bawat isa may kilalang 100 na tao. And 45 to 50 na yun will be able to reach, no, 4,000 to 5,000 people, no, to be able to market yung negosyo ninyo para sa inyo. Good, di ba? Yes, for sure. So good news is that itong sinasabi ko, you do not have to pay them a single cent salary or a single cent commission. So yun yung sinasabi ko din sa BNI, no? Kasi naniniwala ang BNI ng Giver's Gain. No, yung mga successful business owners na nandun, no, na kagaya din natin, no, help each other. And then nagtutulungan dito to survive and grow each other's business. So sa tingin nyo ba, itong first benefit of having a large sales and marketing team, no, will be good for you and your business? No, please type yes, no, in the chat box. If sa tingin nyo, no, having to have this large sales and marketing team na hindi nyo kailangan bayaran na sweldo or commission, no, will be good for your for your practice or for your profession or for your business. Ayun, good. Ayun. So in the next slide, no, in the Philippines, no, yun nga sabi ko kanina, we have nearly 1,500 members in 40 plus chapters, no. And then in the Philippines, 100,000 agad yung naipasang referrals, no, sa bawat isa, no, that generated 5.1 billion pesos worth of business in the last 12 months. O di ba, no? So in the next slide, ito ang tanong ko sa inyo. Meron ba kayong competitors? Ayun. Kasi ako sa interior design and general construction, ang dami kong competitors. So kayo ba? No, meron ba kayong competitors? Please type in the chat box, no, competitors, no, if you have competitors. Meron ba sa inyong walang competitor? O di ba lahat tayo merong competitors? And ano naman ang feeling, no, na merong competitor, no, or yung maagawan ng trabaho or ng business or ng kliyente. 'Di ba ang sakit? 'Di ba? Ang sakit ng pakiramdam. Good news, no, dito sa BNI, no, we provide a safe environment. No, meron kaming strict policy, no, in every chapter, isang member lang per profession or business trade ang tinatanggap. Therefore, no, wala kang kakompetensya, no? So dito, no, you will get exclusive marketing rights para sa practice or sa profession mo or sa negosyo mo. So sa tingin nyo ba, itong exclusive marketing rights will be good for you and your business? Ayan. If yes, please type exclusive in the chat box. Ayun. Hindi ba? No, wala kang kakumpetensya, yun ang gusto nating lahat. So in the next slide. Yan. So as a business owner, syempre, no, gusto nyo magkaroon ng new customers or clients. 'Di ba? So, bakit nyo gusto magkaroon no, ng more new customers or clients? Ayan. So, please type in the chat box, why do you need to have new customers or clients? Ayan. To earn more money ba? Ayan. Sige nga, pakitype nga, ano bang reason why you need to have new customers or clients? More income, more money. Diba? Ano pa? Yeah, to reach a goal. Ayan, the goal of, anong goal mo? To have more money. Yan. Or to grow the business. So, ayan. Syempre, no, lahat naman tayo, no, nawawala ng customers for various reasons, for different reasons, di ba? Syempre, importante talaga yung mga customers, no? So, alam nyo ba, no, where your next new customer will come from? No? Please type yes if yes or no if no. Ayan. So, alam nyo ba na saan nyo susunod na, saan magagaling yung susunod ninyong mga kliyente or customers? Minsan hindi, di ba? Minsan, patapos na yung kliyente or yung customer, hindi natin alam saan manggagaling yung susunod. Di ba? Kaya doon minsan nanggagaling yung stress lalo na pag nagpapatakbo ka ng negosyo mo. No? Yeah, oo, minsan nga minsan, saan ko kaya kukunin yung susunod? Magtatatawag ka ulit, di ba? So let me share with you a solution, no? So yun nga, no, in the business meeting next Tuesday, please, no, try to observe, no, in the chapter of Coach Yan BNI for Vid, no, so that you will see, no, how referrals are business, no, waiting to be done. Paano ba nagbibigayan ng mga referrals, no, yung mga members? No, hindi siya cold call kasi yung referrals doon, no, yung mga binibigay na referrals, nailakad na kayo. Ayan. 'Di ba? It's great, no, na ganon. So, yun nga, no, try to observe para makita nyo paano ba. So, will this continuous stream of new business, no, through referrals, no, will be good for you and your business? Ayan. Please type yes if yes, no, in the chat box. So, ito bang pag tuloy-tuloy ba yung stream of mga clients, no, will be good for your business? Ayun, yes, 'di ba? Good, good. Yes na yes, yan. So, in the next slide, yan, no, ito, no, in fact, no, as part of BNI's global network, you will also have the opportunity to expose your business around the world. Ayan, yan yung mga countries, no, that BNI covers. In the next slide, sabi ko nga kanina, no, the businesses, no, are exchanged to more than 390,000 business owners, no, or businesses in 80 plus countries. So in the next slide, ayun. So syempre, no, it's amazing na being part of BNI, no, increases the network. Kasi nga, your network will be increased 390,000 plus times, no? And then this will lead you to more mga business opportunities, no? So it's great, right? Now I've covered bucket number 1, no? The 3 benefits that will help you sustain your business, no, and prepare you for your growth. No, i-recap ko lang, no, ano ba yung benefits na to? Syempre, larger sales and marketing team, no, exclusive marketing rights, which blocks out your competitors, at saka yung continual source of new business, no? Not only locally, but globally rin, no? In 80 plus countries, no? Which will lead to more business opportunities. Diba? So, ang galing, diba? So, I'll go naman to the next bucket, which is business and leadership skills. So, in the next slide, ilan sa inyo, no, ang tanong ko lang, ilan sa inyo ang naka-experience in leading, no, an organization? Yan. So, meron ba sa inyo, no, na naka-experience in leading an organization, no? Wala ba? Ayun, si Laika said, yan, me, ayun. But not all. Actually, ako, no, through this organization, I also developed my leadership skills. So imagine, no, if you will be leading a group of business owners, no, ang lead nyo hindi lang just kung sino-sinong member, but a group of business owners. Diba? How cool is that, right? So, ilan naman sa inyo, no, ang nakapag-lead, no, ng organization through a pandemic? Ayun. Meron ba sa inyo? Wala rin. So, ayun, si Ana, no? Meron din, no? But not all. Yeah, thank you, Ana, for answering. So, syempre, no? Ayan. Also, si Maria Garcia. Pero, yeah, through the pandemic, no? Di ba? No? Hindi mo ma-imagine to be able to lead an organization, no? And of course, no? Hindi naman lahat prepared, no? To experience the pandemic, di ba? We did not see it coming. So, and that is why, no, all of us will need business and leadership skills, no? New business and leadership skills. We need to retool and we need to reskill. No? Because hindi naman lahat ng alam natin, no, works. No, we need new knowledge, no, in order not only to survive but to thrive in the new normal, 'di ba? So in the next slide, ayun. So syempre, no, naging new normal na natin to be able to run meetings, no, online, no. So with this in mind, no, in early April, no 2020, a lot of companies were scrambling, no, on what to do, no. But si BNI ran daily trainings to equip mga members on how to effectively use the Zoom platform. So doon lang ako actually natutong gumamit ng Zoom. So including mga security settings, how to create breakout rooms, di ba? So ano, no, nakakatuwa, no, hindi ko na-imagine ako mismo matututo, no, how to manage the Zoom. No, so this, no, help members even through the pandemic, ha. Members were able to do business, no, and were able to adapt, no, to be able to conduct business and meetings, no, online, no. Syempre, during the pandemic, ayaw naman natin nakapost. No, we cannot afford also to wait too long, no. Business has to jumpstart. Kaya in the next slide, yan. Yun. So that's why I joined, no, BNI also 5 years ago because I needed to jumpstart my own business, no. So BNI brought the best business and thought leaders, no, from around the world, no, doon sa kanyang business booster series. No, mayroong mga topics about resilience during challenging times, about thriving amidst economic uncertainties, di ba? So, syempre, no, how many of you, no, could benefit from such additional skills and knowledge, di ba? Lahat naman tayo, no? Pag meron tayong additional skills and knowledge, we will all benefit, no? And syempre, no, now that I know that if you work for for example, a multinational company, chances are, no, you have at least access to mga trainings, right? Di ba? Yung mga multinational companies, kaya nilang ipadala, no, yung mga members nila, no, sa mga trainings, no? And pero ngayon na you are running your own business, syempre hindi naman lahat ng mga trainings na pupuntahan kasi yung iba may bayad. No, like ito, no, swerte talaga, no, and we are thankful to Coach Yan for giving this free webinar to all of you para lahat kayo matuto, 'di ba? And no, ganun din, no, sa BNI, no, yung mga trainings doon, mga libre din. No, syempre, we cannot afford to attend yung mga paid mga trainings, but we still want to learn. No, kaya yun nga, no, thank you Coach Yan for this free webinar, no. And then of course sa BNI, it offers also free, no, webinars, no, which is one of the benefits. No, so meron mga mga online na mga webinars din na ino-offer. So that is the beauty of BNI, no, dahil ang one of the core values nito is lifelong learning. So in the next slide, no, imagine meron BNI booster, no, si BNI na pwede mong balik-balikan. No, yung app na to pwede mong i-download sa cellphone mo or sa tablet or sa laptop, no? And then you can have your own learning platform, no? And nandito din, no, sa BNI booster si John Maxwell. Si John Maxwell, kung pupunta ka sa seminar niya, minsan 10,000 pesos, 'di ba, 15,000 pesos, pero dito libre. Libre siya, no? Meron din si Tony Alessandra, ayan, no? So, meron mga business gurus din na mga libre dito, no? So, you don't need to pay, no, a single cent for that, no? You can actually access thousands of webinars and podcast dito sa app na to, no, that you can download, no. Na maski nagda-drive ka, pwede ka rin matuto if you're stuck in traffic, 'di ba? So, BNI believes kasi na when you learn, you become also a better business leader, a better business owner, no. Ayun. So in the next slide, I've covered bucket number 2, no, which is the learning new business and leadership skills. So bucket number 3 naman is to have a positive and supportive business community, no, that we can lean on, no, whenever we face trials or challenges. So in the next slide, ayan. So syempre, no, tingnan nyo itong nasa slide, no, meron dito mga range of emotions. No, those above the lines are positive emotions, those na and mindset naman, and those below the lines are mga negative emotions and kind of thinking. So in the last couple of months, now, have you had any of the emotions below the line? Ayan. So please type emotional naman in the chat box if you have experienced mga emotions below the line. And ako, I have experience also, especially during the pandemic, no? And even during the pandemic, no, I was actually worried about my own health, and that of the health of the people around me or close to me, no? And I was anxious also, no, for some, no, especially, no, merong mga business uncertainties that we are facing, no, during the pandemic, no. They are not actually good feelings to have, no? So halos lahat, 'di ba, no? Especially pag long term, no, yung mga not so good feelings. Ayan. So in the next slide, syempre, no, kailangan nating asikasuhin yung own health natin, yung own wellness and well-being. So let me ask you, when you experience stress, no, and business challenges, share nyo ba ito sa mga empleyado ninyo? Or yung sa mga kasamahan ninyo? Ayan. You can't, di ba? Hindi nyo basta-basta share, no? Yung mga stress, di ba? Or challenges. Or minsan sa business partner, hindi nyo rin share, di ba? No? Eh kung halimbawa, pag uwi nyo sa bahay, share nyo ba ito sa asawa ninyo? Ayan. Or sa parents ninyo? Di ba? Hindi rin, no? Better hindi na lang kasi meron din silang sariling problema sa bahay. Di ba? So, ang maganda dito is that, no, ang hindi kagandahan nito is, ang nangyayari, tinatago na lang natin itong mga problema. No, we keep it to ourselves, no, which sometimes, no, builds stress, no. So, anong mga nangyari sa mga business owners, no, na may high level of stress? Sometimes it leads to mga illnesses like stroke or high blood, di ba? Or heart attack or even cancer, no? So dito, no, sa BNI, no, because merong weekly, no, business meeting, you build strong relationships with each other, no? Dito, ang mga kasama mo, puro mga business owners na pare-pareho kayong mga concerns or mga issues. Merong iba, matagal na din sa negosyo na pwede mo i-consult, no? So dito, no, you understand each other's challenges, no? Merong mga nakakapag-provide ng mga mental and emotional support, no? Even mga iba nag-offer ng mga solutions from own experiences, no? Yun ang kagandahan. And common dito, no, na yung mga matatagal na sa negosyo, mini-mentor yung mga bago lang sa negosyo. 'Di ba? And saan ka ba makakakita ng gano'n, no? Minsan gusto mo pagpa-mentor sa matagal na sa negosyo, kailangan mo pang mag-schedule ng ano, no, appointment. 'Di ba dito, no, lahat, no, dito willing na turuan ka, i-mentor ka, i-guide ka. No, pag alam nila na fellow BNI, bibigyan ka ng oras. Hindi madadamot yung mga tao because of the giver's gain philosophy. No, lahat, no, willing to help each other, no, once na develop, no, yung trust and business relationship, once na-establish yung trust and business relationship. And this is one benefit that hindi na bibili ng pera. Di ba? No? And to all of you, no, do you think that being part of this positive and supportive community will be good for you and your business? no, please type no positive and supportive in the chat box if yes. Yan. So sa tingin nyo ba, no, being part of this positive and supportive community will be good for you and your business? Ayun, no, positive and supportive. Good, good. No, especially during these trying times, di ba? No, kailangan natin ng support group now more than ever. Ayun, very good. So ngayon, no, in the next slide, I've shared 3 buckets that BNI provides. No? So, is it fair lang that I will share to you yung commitments lang? No? Papakita ko lang yung commitments. No? Yan. So, in the next slide, ito lang yung mga 3 no, tests no, na mga no, yung mga benefits no from the services of BNI no. So test number 1 no, yung business nyo must be stable no, meron kayong capacity to handle more business. Ayan. So because definitely you will get more referrals, 'di ba? So no, please be sure that you can handle more business if you want to be a part of this positive and supportive community. Test number 2, you must be able to wake up early, no? Once a week lang naman at 6:30 in the morning. And what sort of people wake up early to attend a 6:30 a.m. business meeting? Siyempre, mga dynamic people, no? And do you know what happens when you associate yourself with dynamic people? Siyempre, kayo din nagiging dynamic. 'Di ba? Imagine si Coach Yan gigising every Tuesday, no? At 6:30 in the morning, 'di ba? So, 'di ba? We have a saying in BNI, no, while the competitors are still sleeping, we are already doing business. 'Di ba? By the time magising yung mga kakumpetensya ninyo, tayo nakapagnegosyo na. 'Di ba? So, sa tingin nyo ba, mapapass nyo itong test number 2? Yan. Yan. So far, so good. Test number 3, you must believe in the giver's gain philosophy. Meaning, no, willing kayong tumulong sa iba, no, na hindi nag-expect ng kapalit. 'Di ba? Imagine, no, if every single one of us, no, nakaganyan yung naka-fold yung arms and ayaw natin tumulong sa bawat isa. Nakuha ba tayo lahat ng referrals? Hindi, 'di ba? No? So, yun nga, no, you should be able to practice the giver's gain, no? We dito bayanihan culture. So, yun nga, no, if you pass test number 3, very good. Ayan. So, in the next slide, yan. So, syempre, no, most people are trying to survive, no, the current situation. However, in BNI, we choose to help others thrive. In return, there will be many others who will help us thrive. So in the next slide, only 3 things will happen. No? You are ready to revive or hopefully retrieve your business. No? Pangalawa, your previous business has gone bust. No? Hindi nag-work and you want to start a new business. Yan. Pangatlo, no, you have burned all your cash reserves. No, ayaw ka nang pahiramin ng bangko ng pera and you want to go back to employment, no, to feed yourself and your family. Ayan. So, in the next slide, no, can you imagine how painful it is, no, if you have to do any of these options alone? No, even for option number 3, no, kasabayan mo yung ibang thousands mga people who are looking for work, no. However, no, if you are part of the BNI community, no, you have people watching out for you and opening doors for you, no, yung journey ninyo will be less painful and certainly less lonely. Hindi kayo nag-iisa, di ba? So now more than ever, you need a community of positive and supportive people to lean on, no? You need a community of people na you can count on, no, to help you in your life and in your business. You need a BNI family. So, in the next slide, no, we invite you to work with us, no, to let us thrive together. No, you don't have to do it all alone, no, because we are all in this together.
All right.
So, we will go, ayan, no, to the slide, no, 55. Ayan.
Okay.
Sorry, we went beyond the time. Pero, di ba, no, I would just like to, let you know, no, and in the last slide pala, no, ayan, last slide, slide 56. Ayan. Syempre, yung advocacy ko is to teach, no? Which is what I am doing now, no? Because I want, no, to touch and make a difference in other people's lives. So, ayan. Yun, no? So, in the last slide, no? I hope na I was able to make a difference, no, in your lives tonight. No, you may actually contact me if you want to learn more, and if you want me to share my network with you. No, I'm willing to do that. No, more than willing to do that. No, because I'm always happy to help. You can scan actually the QR code, no, to be able to get my number. Ayan. Ayun.
So, sa magpapa-interior design dyan, so alam mo na.
Ayun. If you also need help, no? If you want, I can give free consultation for interior design. Ayun. Diba?
Manifest nyo yung mga beach lot nyo dyan, mga condo nyo dyan. Diba, RD Joy? Yan. Si
Yes.
RD Joy po.
Oo. So I can help you, no? Let me know if you need suppliers. I can share with you my network, yung mga members namin dito, no, sa BNI, or mga business owners na suppliers din, no? Pwede nyo maging suppliers sa business ninyo, or pwede nyo suppliers sa personal, no? Meron tayo ditong mga caterers, ayan, mga printers, ayan, mga balloon suppliers, or sa business, meron tayong actually mga lawyers, ayan, or meron tayong business support, or if you need help sa real estate, so iba-iba. Or if you need also sa construction, ayan, marami tayong suppliers dito. So let me know. Ayan. So nasa-scan nyo ba yung
Scan nyo na po.
details
I-screenshot ko po yan ulit para share ko sa
Ayun.
group. Yan.
Ayan.
Para may copy po sila.
Yes,
Alright.
please. Ayun. So thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you learned a lot. And yun, no? I'm open, no, to your questions if you have. And pasensya na, lumagpas na tayo sa time.
Okay lang po yan. Dami po namin natutunan. And
Ay.
sige, para lang habang nag-aantay ng question. So,
meron ako actually, nakikita ko kay Nigel. Nigel ba?
Nigel, oo, may question ka, Nigel. Wait, hanapin ko po. Baka naka-ano lang siya.
Naka-mute ba si Nigel?
Ayan, Nigel, hello po. Bakit kaya may problem mga audio nila? Can you type in siguro, Nigel, your questions? I think, sino po? Bakit po may problem? Bukod kay ano naman po siya? Naka-mute. Okay.
Ayan, si Nigel.
Ayan,
okay
okay na. O, baka nawala ulit?
Nawala ulit si Nigel.
Narinig na kanina. Patanggal po ng ano. Yan. Hello? Wala po. Si Israel lang kanina. Si Laika nakarinig naman kami.
Ayan.
Meron po kami, ano po. Yan. May technical issue po kasi naka-live via satellite tayo. So it's normal. Technical difficulties lang. Pero type na lang po ni Miss Nigel yung question. RD.
Sige. Okay, go ahead. Siguro, you can actually message me if you have more questions. For now, no, para matapos tayo at 8:30, I'll entertain the question of Nigel.
Ayan po, RD. How do you keep yan?
Yan. So, question ni Nigel is, how do you keep up with your schedule, now being a practicing interior designer, a regional director of BNI, national vice president in the Philippine Institute of Interior Designers, involved in fitness, ayan, active in other organizations, activities, a mom of 4 and a wife to a surgeon. So thank you, Nigel, no, for that question. Actually, pati rin ako nagtataka rin. Paano ko na ma-manage yung schedule ko, di ba? Pero kidding aside, no, if you will look at my calendar, no, each day, puno siya actually ng activities, no, yung calendar ko. But naging mantra ko kasi, no, na actually natutunan ko yung mantra na to kay Og Mandino. No, familiar ba kayo kay Og Mandino? He wrote The Greatest Salesman in the World. Ayan, o, di ba? Oo, nako, ayun. So, actually, ang sabi ni Og Mandino doon, sabi niya, we should treat each day as if it is our last. No? So, yun ang ginagawa ko actually, no. I would treat no each day as if it's my last, no. I make sure no that productive ako, no, and na-achieve ko yung goals ko each day. Share ko lang yung acronym no na I created, no, which I follow no religiously each day. So, type ko dito sa chat box. Ayan. Ayan. PACT. Ayun. Nakikita nyo ba, no, yung PACT? So, yung pact, no, I would make a pact, no, with my calendar each day. Kaya nga yung Google Calendar ko sa cellphone, it's very useful to me, no? Kasi talagang gamit na gamit ko siya, no? So, when I say pact, no, P is I plot in the calendar yung pinaka-importante at pinaka-urgent na schedule and to-do, no? To-do list. Yan. So, that's P. Yung A, no, pag na-plot ko na yung pinaka-importante at pinaka-urgent, yung A, I add naman those na kailangan kong gawin, pero hindi siya ganun ka-urgent. Yan. C naman is, pag nakumpleto ko naman, no, yung mga kailangan kong gawin, no, for that day, linalagyan ko din ng word done, no, beside each, no, of the activity or to-do list, no, bago ako matulog, no, each night. So, kinukomplete ko. And then, yung T, no, pag halimbawa, hindi ko siya nagawa that day, tina-transfer ko yung schedule na yon or yung to-do na yon in other days na sa tingin ko, ma-accomplish ko siya. Ayun. So, that's how I do it, no? Ayan, yeah, we first make our habits and then our habits make us. Yeah, thank you for sharing, Nigel. No? So, yun ang ginagawa ko. I make a pact with my calendar, and every day, no, the cycle repeats. No? For me, kasi para siyang gamification, na parang linalagyan ko ng done each time na accomplish ko siya. So, nagkakaroon ako ng feeling of accomplishment or feeling na being productive. No? More so, no, when I make a pact with my calendar, na compartmentalize ko yung responsibilities para hindi ako ma-overwhelm. No, pag nako-compartmentalize ko, kung ano lang yung kailangan ko gawin today, yun lang ang isipin ko. Kasi yung iba kong kailangan gawin, pangbukas yon or sa susunod na araw. 'Di ba? So at least, no, naka-plot na yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Hindi ako na-overwhelm. Also, no, pag if I make a pact with my calendar, no, na pa-practice ko yung discipline. Pag sinabi nating discipline kasi it's doing something that you need to do maski ayaw mo siyang gawin at that moment, 'di ba? Yun yung discipline eh. Halimbawa, paggising na maaga, no? Nakakatamad gumising na maaga, pero pag meron kang reason na kailangan mo magising na maaga, gagawin mo siya, no? Halimbawa, you need to train for a run, you need to wake up early, no? So that's discipline, no? Yun ang napapractice ko, no, when I make a pact with my calendar. And lastly, no, napapractice ko rin yung dinidelay ko yung gratification. So, na-avoid ko yung procrastination. So, ang ginagawa ko, rini-reward ko yung sarili ko, no, pag na-accomplish ko yung kailangan kong i-accomplish. For example, yung pag-reward ko sa sarili ko, yung I will watch my favorite movie in Netflix. Ayan. So lahat yan, tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho, no? Hanggang hapon or gabi. Pag natapos ko na, reward ko na yung sarili ko, no? For example, watching a good movie Netflix or eating chocolates. Ayun. So I hope I answered your question, Nigel. Ayun, okay. So si Laika, yan. So yeah, I'll answer your question, Laika, no? Alam ko kasi meron pang schedule, no? Si Coach yan, no? After this. So yeah, thank you for that question, Laika. So for someone as successful as you and with all your roles and responsibilities, no? Can you share with us your ultimate dream and if ever your short-term and long-term goal? Ayan. So my goal actually, of course, no, my long-term goal is to have a comfortable lifestyle, no, with my family, no, where I can have yung meal, we can have meals together, no, yung bumabiyahe kami ng sabay-sabay, no, na hindi ko kailangan isipin yung ibang responsibilities, no. So, yung short-term goal ko syempre is to be able to earn, 'di ba? And to be able to earn is to work hard, no? Being an interior designer and a general contractor, no? So, I work hard to be lazy, no? Sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko, ina-apply ko yung Pareto principle. So, narinig niyo na ba yung Pareto principle? Yan, type ko lang ha, dito, Pareto principle. Ayun. So, Pareto principle is, sabi nga ni Pareto principle, ayan, oh good, Maria Garcia, no? Yung 20% of your effort gives 80% of the result, no? So, ibig sabihin, no, each day, no, maski 1% lang na productive ako, pero pag tuloy-tuloy ko siyang ginagawa, no, it leads me to achieving my goal in life. So, consistency also is the key. Now, you have to be consistent and you have to be productive each day. Maski 20% of the effort lang yan. Pero it will give you, no, 80% of the result. That's why nga, yung sinasabi ko actually in BNI, no, yung paggising pa lang na umaga and pag-attend ng business meeting, no, every Tuesday, kung doon sa chapter nila coach yan, that's 20% lang of your effort. But, di ba, you will be able to meet, no, mga new network. You will be able to grow your network. You'll be able to meet, no, people who are suppliers, no, who can help you with your business in your personal. Yun yung 80% of the result. Diba? So I hope I was able to answer your question, Laika.
Thanks, Laika. Who else, guys? 3 more questions and yeah, tapos
may time ka pa ba, Coach Yan? Kasi alam ko meron ka schedule
ando naman po
this.
si
siguro
Sis Day
sige.
May mga problem po ata audio nila for some reason. So, siguro ako na lang po magtatanong for number 3 questions.
Sige, oo.
So, ano po bang feeling na maging regional director ng BNI? So, for those who doesn't know, siya po ang nag-recruit sa akin. Siya po ang dahilan bakit po ano sa BNI. And bigyan ko lang kayo ng short background. February pa po ako nililigawan ni Coach, ni RD Joy. Pero napaka-consistent niya po sa follow-up. So, alam niyo yung power ng follow-up. Hindi niya ako, yung di ba tinuturo ko sa inyo, yung power of follow-up. Pero ayan, nandito na ako. So, happy ako for saying yes to RD Joy. So, ayun po. Ano po yung feeling na maging regional director ng BNI?
Actually, no, thank you for that question, Coach Yanya. And I'm happy that you're part of BNI. No, tama naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Yanya that you have to be persistent pag mayroon kayong hinahabol na kliyente. Di ba? Yan. So, being a regional director of BNI, fulfilling siya, pero hindi siya madali. No? Pinili ko maging regional director kasi gusto kong dalhin na ang BNI sa Laguna 2 region, particularly sa Santa Rosa and Cabuyao. But dahil online naman yung mga business meetings, so wala namang border. No? Actually, may mga members kami na nasa ibang bansa. Maski nasa ibang bansa siya, pero ang business niya nasa Manila. Ayan. So, I chose to be an RD kasi gusto kong dalhin, no, ang BNI, no, sa Laguna 2 region so that I can help more business owners, no, achieve their dreams, no. And I want to touch and make a difference in their lives, no, sa lives ng family nila, no, sa lives ng staff, and then sa family of their staff or employees. So, generational. No? And meron akong actually kasama na 2 pang RD. 3 kami actually na nag-share ng responsibility. So yung role ko actually and responsibility ko is to launch chapters, no? In my 2 years of being, no, a regional director, no, I have launched 5 chapters already, no? So bakit ba ako nag-launch ng chapters? Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, per chapter, ang tinatanggap lang namin is, no, 1 member per profession or business trade. Pag nag-open pa ako ng more chapters, I'll be able to open more classifications to be able to help more business owners. no? So in one chapter, wala kang kakumpetensya. Kung ikaw lang, for example, ang accountant doon, wala na silang tatanggapin na accountant, ikaw lang. Ayan. Ang kasama ko naman na isa, si RDJC Lumba, no? Siya naman na nag-handle ng support and growth ng chapters. So after kong ma-launch, no, siya naman yung nagbibigay ng time sa mga members. Type ko lang ha, it's also another acronym that I created, time. No? So siya nagbibigay ng time to teach, inspire, motivate, encourage, empower, and engage with the members. No? So siya yung nagsusupport sa mga chapters so that yung mga members patuloy na matutulungan, no, and to make sure na lahat nakakakuha ng referrals. Yan. Si RD Tiff Lumba naman, no, who is the wife, no, of RDJC, is my other co-RD. Siya naman ang in charge sa mga trainings of the members, no, and sa pag-supervise ng admin ng region. So in BNI kasi nga, sabi ko kanina, no, we value lifelong learning, no? Naniniwala kami, no, in giving continuous training and workshops sa mga members, no, we are able to build yung right culture and proper mindset, no, that will help them become successful in achieving their goals, no, in BNI and in their life. No, so tatlo kami actually work together to run a region to make sure that the members, no, grow personally and professionally. No, we make sure na we create a culture of leaders who create leaders, no. We make sure na the members adapt to the system, no, in a positive and supportive community, no, na lahat kami, no, we work around the giver's gain philosophy, no, or bayanihan culture, no. Kasi dito, no, helping each other, no, grow each other's business, no, will give an impact to the community, no, and will help boost the local economy. No? And then, Coach Yanya, na sorry, napahaba yung sagot ha. I-share ko lang din, no, na when I became a member 5 years ago, and then ngayon, RD na ako, no, I learned to be fat. Ayun. So, lagay ko lang be fat.
Ang daming ano ni Ma'am, be fat.
Oo, daming
Susunod ba kayo ng acronym? Ako nagsulat ako.
Kasi kailangan maalala, kaya ko ginagawa ng acronym para madaling tandaan. So hindi para tumaba, ayan. But to be fat is, no, be bayanihan culture. Yan yung gusto kong, no, na gusto kong maging culture dito sa BNI, be fat. So be bayanihan culture, lahat nagtutulungan, no, na nang hindi nag-expect ng kapalit. Kasi nga giver's gain philosophy. Tapos naman lahat merong enthusiastic optimism. Ibig sabihin, positibo, no, yung tingin mo sa buhay mo, pati yung attitude mo positive, no? Maski gaano kahirap, no, ang buhay, pero enthusiastic ka pa rin and optimistic, no? Ako, no, actually I go with the flow, no? Pag meron akong nakakaharap ng mga trials and challenges, I just do my best, you know, in overcoming them. Then I go with the flow. Yan. F naman is faithful. Yan. So, natutunan ko to be faithful to the system, to be faithful to my mentors, to my role models, so that I will be better, I will be able to better myself each day. Ayan. A is available, no? I'm always available for more trainings, workshops, learnings, mga learning experiences, no, that will help me grow personally and professionally. No? So ito rin ang gusto ko sa mga members, no, sa region ko, no. And T, teachable, no. I'm always open na maturuan, to be mentored, no, so that I will learn, no, from their own stories and experiences, no. So ito ang gusto ko maging attitude and mindset, no, ng mga members ko sa region is to be fat. And ako rin, I want to be fat. I hope kayo rin, you want to be fat. Ayun. Ayun.
Let's be fat. Yeah.
Yes, let's be fat, di ba?
Any more question? Actually, halos same si RD Joy, parang parehas kami. Parang nagugulat din ako kung lahat ng activities na nandun talaga siya.
Yeah.
Napaka-active. So, pero kami niya, parang di rin natutulog. Laging available. Ang bilis din sa Viber sumagot. Kung nakikita
ayun,
niyo, yan,
kailangan
yan,
coach
ganyan.
yan. Kailangan
Proactive.
nilang matutunan yan, no? Ang Viber, ang social platform, Viber or Messenger or WhatsApp, actually parang tindahan nyo yan or parang opisina. No, kailangan palagi nyong tinatauhan. Kasi pag yung kliyente ninyo nag-message sa inyo, dapat mabilis kayong sumagot. 'Di ba? Kasi kung walang tao sa opisina, wala kayong negosyo. Or pag walang tao sa tindahan, wala kayong benta. 'Di ba? So, yun, no? You have to make sure na lagi nyo tinatauhan yung social platform niyo.
May question pa po dito, RD. What makes you pursue your interior design profession?
Ayun. Thank you, Teresa, no, for that question. Actually, interior design was not my first choice. I took BS Biology as my pre-med nung nasa UP Los Baños ako. And then I had to transfer to UP Diliman. Mas malapit siya sa bahay namin. So I took Bachelor of Interior Design as a stepping stone to BS Bio sana. Kasi quota course siya, no, sa UP Diliman. But then, no, natutunan ko na mahalin, no, yung interior design. No, I came to love interior design. Actually, no, yung pagiging creative ko, nakuha ko sa side ng dad ko. No, na artist siya nung high school siya, do sa class artist siya nung high school. And then artist din siya nung nasa Philippine Military Academy siya. So retired military po yung daddy ko. Kaya doon ko din nakuha sa kanya yung discipline, di ba? So when I was in high school, ganun din po ako, no, artist din ako sa class, no? And then yun nga, I came to love interior design, so I finished it, no, and I even took a Master of Interior Design, no, where I learned the critical and analytical thinking skills. So yeah, thank you, Teresa, for that question.
I think one more question. So,
yes,
and then,
yes, please.
Baka yung iba may question. Ayan, last, kay Judy.
What is your greatest dream that you have achieved so far? Ayan, so Judy, ayan, thank you, Judy, no, for the question. So the greatest dream actually, no, that I have achieved, no, my dream was to marry the person I love. Ayan. So 8 years muna kami naging mag-boyfriend bago kami pinayagan makasal kasi ako yung panganay. And my dad, no, was strict kasi 2 girls and 1 boy kami. So I was the eldest. So my dream was to marry the person that I love, who I love, no, and then to have kids, no, to have a cozy home, and then to spend most, no, most of my time, no, the most that I can, no, with the family, no, in the cozy home. Yan. So tinitreasure ko talaga yung time ko with the family, no. Syempre, no, meron tayong negosyo, but priority pa rin ang family. No, each day, no, I see to it, no, I get to talk to each of my 4 kids, no, and even my husband. Kaya most of the time, I work from home. Yan. So, yun din ang kagandahan pag nag-adapt tayo dito sa technology. Itong Zoom, maski gabi, no, maski nagtatrabaho tayo, after nito, kasama pa rin natin yung pamilya natin. And of course, no, my long-term, my other dream is for my kids to be successful also in their chosen career, to have their own loving family, and of course to lead, no, a happy and a beautiful life. No, that's my other dream. So yun naman.
May follow-up question ako doon, RD. Napaka-prominent kasi ng apelido mo eh. Pwede bang, alam niyo na, parang hindi na kailangan magpakilala. So, yeah. And then you can add RD Joy, sobrang napaka-accommodating, sobrang humble, down to earth, sobra. So, ayun, ang sarap talagang kasama. Di ba yun kanina pa nila pagkita, ako nga ehersito. Parang hindi ko na, parang alam ko na agad kung sino. Parang
sige, ito na lang, ikukwento ko na lang din. Kasi saan ako magpunta, tinatanong, no? Ang related talaga is my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is an ehersito. My father-in-law is also an ehersito. That's why my husband is ehersito.
Oh.
Pero magkaibang clan sila. Ang related talaga is my mother-in-law. Ayan.
So, alam nyo na.
Pero ayan, distant relative.
Layo naman po. Baka may magsabi kasi, alam nyo na, incest, pero malayo. Marami namang akal. Pero, ako din yung kasi, ako nung pagkakakita ko kay, di ba, parang, RD Joy Ehersito. Wow. Parang, di ba, may ganun factor agad kayo. Tama ba? Ako kasi ganun eh. Napaka-judgmental nating tao. Tama. Kanina pa nila iniisip yon, yung pa yung kanilang
Kanina
text
pa, oo
question.
nga,
Yun lang,
ayun,
ako
ayun
na
nga daw.
nagsabi.
Yun.
Diba? Ako na nagsabi kasi ako din yung unang tanong ko. Natatawa sila.
Ayan. So, merong last na lang dito na question, no? Before we end, nako, alam ko yung iba sa inyo, baka gusto na din maghapunan. So, si Edgeline Rivera said, sometimes we feel that we are already on top or we had already our dreams, but actually not yet. Then later on, we realize that we did it wrong or it's not what we want. No, how should we handle it? So I think no, yung question mo, Edgeline, is about handling frustrations or disappointments. Ayan. Lahat tayo dumadaan dyan, no? Sa frustrations or disappointments. So, ang sa akin lang talaga, ang lagi ko ina-advise is to keep on being positive, no? And enthusiastic, no? In having that attitude, positive and enthusiastic attitude in facing life's challenges. Kasi if it's okay to dwell on disappointments, no? It's okay. But as long as, yun nga sabi ko kanina, nakasulat yung goals, no, and dreams ninyo. Para everyday, you review it. No, na-achieve ko na ba ito? Kung hindi pa, ano pa yung next action plan na kailangan kong gawin para ma-achieve siya? No, and then halimbawa, sabi mo nga, hindi pala yun ang gusto mo, then you move on. No, we all of us need to learn to move on. No, marami tayong experience sa disappointments. No, ako, marami. Yan. But actually, I teach myself to move on. I read books. Lately, ang dami kong na-download ng mga e-books on how to handle yan, mga disappointments, yan, how to handle yung mga, di ba, yung mga frustrations. No, so continuous learning pa rin is good. No, para syempre, marami tayong mga matututunan na hindi natin alam, uy, pwede pala ito, na pwede natin i-apply sa buhay natin. Ayun. So, just keep on dreaming, everyone. Keep on having that goal and good luck on achieving your dreams and goals.
Thank you so much, RD. And kung alam nyo lang, maging sa tabi ni RD. And to give you lang feedback, kailan na ako nag-join RD? Wala pang 2
last
weeks.
month.
Last month lang. Pero after, nagkaroon ako na agad ng referral. So, ganun siya kabilis. Si RD mismo nag-refer and I'm meeting doktora for the help na need niya sa kanyang tax. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-expert. Gusto ko ding matuto. So, ang dami. And then I have, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano. Si JC Lumbao, siya yung kasama ko last week dun sa Oktoberfest. Hindi ko alam siya pala yung RD ko. So, kilala niyo naman si Miss Yan yan, lahat kinakausap. Pero siya pala yung RD ko, tsaka yung asawa niya. So, pero ang nakakagulat, magugulat kayo kung gaano kalaki ang market ng Pilipinas na kailangan ng accountant. Ganun siya kabilis kasi, yun nga sinasabi natin, yes, may freelancing. You can do freelancing local, may pera sa lokal. Kung sino dito ang ganun ang susunod na goal is magkaroon ng parang accounting business. Yun, meron akong nakuha agad na 5 calling card.
Nice.
And isa doon, si JC pala is owner ng real estate. Basta malulula na lang kayo kung sino sila. Tapos si Sir Raymond may farm sa Lipa. So, and then yung may-ari ng farm to table, si Doktora, mga BNI. So, napaka-humble na mga tao, pero willing tumulong. Pwede kayong pumunta, let us know kung pupunta kayo dun sa place. So, mga ganun siyang, yung connection niya, sobrang approachable lahat, na hindi mo aakalain kung sino pa yung mas successful na tao. Sila yung super, alam mo yun, napaka-approachable talaga. Doon ako saludo sa mga taga-BNI. So, kaya sinishare ko to sa inyo is because kailangan natin pumunta sa mga like-minded people. Mahawahan tayo ng energy nila, ng positivity, ayan, may mga nagigising sa katotohanan. Yan, so yun yung na-realize ko. And then, as you go along, ang dami pa ring learning site ako, nauuhaw ako sa learnings. And kagaya nyo, kung may community kayo, si Miss Yan may another community para mas lalo tayong lumago. Kasi yun yung goal ni RD. Tumulong talaga din. Nakita nyo kahit alam nyo, makita naman natin well-off na family naman. Mukhang hindi naman na kailangan. Pero napaka-humble lang. Sobrang humble na humble. Ayan.
Thank you, Coach Yan. And to let everyone know, Coach Yan, no, in the other 3 chapters, no, in the region, wala pang accountant and bookkeeper.
Yes.
Yeah,
And yun
just
nga,
to
sa
let
chapter
everyone know.
namin, ako lang ang accountant. So, dun lang si Miss Yan. Ilan na tayo po, RD? Nasa 30 plus. And
30,
kada
yes.
chapter, 30 plus. And kada chapter, isa lang po ang dapat accountant. Isa lang ang auditor, isa lang ang payroll. Wala kayong dapat katulad. Yun ang kagandahan sa BNI. So, mako-conquer nyo yung gusto nyo na mag-grow, mag-scale up kayo if you're BNI. So, yun. Okay ba tayo dyan? So, let's have a recap. Sino may question dito? Nandito po kasi si Miss Gemma. So, papasadahan ko lang po. RD, thank you so much. Pwede ba tayo mag-picture
Thank
taking?
you so much. Yes.
Teka lang po.
Yes, please.
Ayun yung inaantay talaga nila. Actually, yan lang po talagang pinunta nila dito. Magpa-picture.
Ayun.
Sige. Guys, labas naman. Thank you so much sa nakapunta and wag kayong aalis kasi may pa-flash lang akong update kung ano yung latest sa group. And sa mga nakikita kong familiar faces, thank you for balik loob. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So sana kahit Friday na, di ba sabi ko sa'yo kahit Friday, wag tayong malumbay, wag tayong tamarin Friday. Dapat laging amazing Friday. Then pagdating ng Monday, wag tayo tamarin, lalong mas amazing Monday. Okay ba yon?
Yes.
And then, ang ganda rin kila RJ Joy is yung commitment. Yun yung number 1 core values talaga. Is your commitment. Show up. Gigising ka ng maaga. Walang excuse. Ganun siya. Talaga. So, yun yung kasi mga ano namang successful na people. Sila nga successful na. Hiyang-hiya naman ako hindi gumising ng 6:30, di ba? So, ganun ba kayo? Gusto nyo mahawakan ng ganung energy vibe sa amin? Kung makita nyo si RD Joy sa FB, hindi ko alam, sabihin nyo nasan kayong kalendaryo niya. Pahingi ng calendar kung saan siya nanggagaling. Promise, bukas makikita kami, kaya tinatanong ko kung sino yung nasa Cavite. Nandun po ako 1 p.m. Kung gusto nyo makita si RD Joy, magpa-autograph. Yeah. Chance nyo na. So bukod sa napakaganda, wala akong masabi, napaka-approachable. And Lodi yan ng mga nauna sa aming mga BNI. Kasi kami mga babies pa. So, yun lang yung masasabi ko. So, sinong nasa Cavite bukas? Nasa Bacoor kami. RD Joy, wala ka bang ibang mall tour? Or magawin sa ibang lugar? Ano bang schedule
wala
mo
pa
ngayon?
naman. Pag meron tayong event, invite natin sila. Tomorrow, kung mapapadaan kayo, nandoon kami sa AK Cafe, sa may Emradi Building, ano lang siya, lagpas lang ng konti ng Evia Mall.
Apo.
Yan,
Business
from
owner po
1
siya.
PM.
Siya po yung may-ari ng cafe. Siya rin po yung may business. So, yun po yung kaigihan sa BNI. So, umiikot po sa mga business owner. So, may cafe po sila doon. So, yun nga, pag nagawi ka sa place, alam mo yun, ang may connection ka na agad. Malay nyo, batuhan ko kayo ng clients sa ibang lugar, sa QC, sa Isabela. Hindi natin masabi. So, just stay on our radar lang kasi ang dami pa namin kailangan na accountants. Diba? Tama ba?
Yes.
Happier? Happy ba kayo sa narinig nyo na napakalaki ng demand sa atin? So, huwag tayong matakot ng kakompetensya natin lahat kasi hindi po tayo magkakompetensya. We are collaborators. Tandaan nyo yan. Tayo rin magkikita sa finals. Ganun lang siya. Hinebra lang. Tama ko to. Pagkahalata ng edad ni yan. Sige na, baka kung saan tayo mapunta. Pero anyway, sige pa. RD, okay lang magpa-flash lang ako kasi po may nagtanong po kanina dito. Dito po si Miss Gemma. Miss Gemma, yung kauna-unahang pumasok pero tinawag na agad sa recitation. Si Miss Gemma yun. Ayan. So, tinatanong niya po kasi kanina, pwede daw po mag-start ng freelancing na 58 years old. So, sorry, sinout out ko na yung edad. Yan po ang normally has si RD. So, di ba si RD nga nag-aral ng technology, pero look at her. So, pero kami dito 73 years old, si Nanay Lumbing. So, wala pong edad ang freelancing. So, siya po ang makakapagpatunay na wala pong, wala naman po talaga makakahadlang kung gusto po ng tao. So, tinatanong po kasi kanina, kachat ko po si Miss Gemma, ano daw po ang laman ng Accounting People's Elite? So, again, just gusto ko lang i-remind, yung pinost ko kanina, nag-iisip ako ng content sa FB ko, pero kagaya nyo, nakakatamad, Friday na. Sino nakakaramdam ng tamad Friday? Ayoko magtrabaho Friday. Pero na nag-flash sa akin, yung last year ko, yung kinatatakutan kong gawin is mag-coach ng paid. Kasi gusto ko libre. Sino dito yung malahat laging may takot? So baka hindi mag-work, baka hindi ko kaya. Ganun lang ako last year, hindi ko kaya mag-coach, hindi ko kaya magpa-paid, hindi ko alam. Pero after a year, ayun. Eto tayo ngayon, ayun. Ate, okay ka lang, be? Andito tayo. So, 1 year na tayo. So, after a year, nakapag-launch na tayo ng hanggang batch 6 na. So, ang makukuha nyo sa batch, sa pagiging elite, andito naman yung ibang taga-elite eh. So, kagaya ng mga business owners, lahat naman may problem. Paano makakuha ng client. So, ayan yung tinuturo ko, how to get hired, how to win interviews, mga materials sa onboarding, especially how to market your business. So, ayan, back to back na. So, gaya ng sinabi kanina ni RD, yun ang pinakamahirap gawin na i-market yung business mo. Kasi dyan mangyayari yung sustainability ng business. Pag hindi mo to naaral ng tama at nagawa, kahit anong galing mo, lalagpak yung negosyo mo. Tama po ba? Tama? So, dito, with, yun nga, like-minded people, sama kayo sa mga elite. And then may 3 months coaching and mentoring. May classroom kayo doon, may Google Drive, may elite FB group and Skype group. So, ayan po yung makikita nyo naman sa site, yung mga discount. So far, may ilo-launch kami 9 o'clock na. QuickBooks Online and then Australian this year. Ini-emphasize ko kasi this is our last batch. Next year, hindi namin alam baka tataas na yung fee namin kasi mas may babaguhin kami, may add kami. Mas maraming program na ilalabas. So, kaya ini-emphasize ko tong last batch kasi hindi ko na namin alam. So, ayan, yung nagtatanong ano po ang laman. Basic bookkeeping with Dean Adele, Zero by Coach Jade. Eto, QBO serye, bago po namin to. I think, andyan ang mga intern ko, shout-out ko na, ready na kayo sa QBO serye. Ayan, so ayan, sa mga webinars, chance to win. Ayan, so ayan yung makukuha nyo, may promo po kami. May pa-Christmas party din po kami December, tama ba, 9 and 10 sa Pansol. So, dun po namin iraraffle yung laptop, GCash, and mga courses. Malay natin, makahingi tayo ng sponsor sa DNI. So, ayan. May Christmas party rin po yan. So, andyan, marami pong, ayan yung mga testimonial natin. So, para lang pakita nyo po yung worth ng value sa nagtatanong, is it worth it to join Elite? And just so you know, meron na pong naunang na-refer ako from the accounting firm, napauna ko na sila. Balitaan ko kayo after 2 to 3 weeks ko na nakuha na nila yung mga client. Coming from Elite po yon. So kapag Elite ka, ikaw ang priority sa hiring. So yan po yung pinaka-highlight ko for tonight. So hanggang November 8 po ang deadline. November 10 po kami magsa-start ng batch 6, 7 p.m. Ayan. Okay. So any question po, Ma'am Miss Gemma? So yan po yung laman. So ayan po yung yan. So, sino gustong ma-feature sa testimonial? Ayan lang po yung mga frequently asked questions. So nandiyan naman po yan. So ayan. Yun po yung laman. What else? Question po. Bukod sa nagugutom na kayo ng questions. Ayan, nandito na rin yung B6 eh. So, yan po yung aabangan nila. And then, yun nga, may promo lang po kami dun sa Elite. Baka nakalimutan ng Elite na meron silang chance to win. Okay lang po. I-ano ko lang po sa Elite. Ito po. Refer a, kita po ba? Yan. Refer a friend kasi laptop po yung mapapag. Video testimonial, courses, and GCash. Ayan po siya. Christmas party. Yan po yung, doon po namin iraraffle. So, stay tuned po sa lahat ng Elite. Sa kahit B6 ka, mapapasok mo pa lang, you can also join hanggang may deadline po yung submission. Kung may ma-refer ka na friend. So, ayan. So, kung nag-enjoy kayo nung anniversary sa mga free courses and prizes, mas mag-enjoy kayo this coming December. So, yun po yung pinaka-highlight ko lang for today's video. Okay, yan. Okay. Any question po kay RD and sino pong gustong sumama sa amin bukas? Doon lang po kami sa Cavite, Bacoor. Hanapin ko rin po kung saan. Internship. Ayan, may internship po and ayun po, may mga projects upcoming. So, andyan naman po yung mga intern ko mapapatunay na after nila mag-intern, lumilipad na sila. Hindi na po nila ako kilala. Joke lang. Andyan pa rin sila. Sino dyan ang intern ko, guys? Kamusta? May mga client na po sila. So, kaya ang trabaho ko ni Miss Yan yan, magpa-intern, magparami po. Okay? Thank you, RD Joy. Any more questions, guys? Anong problema nyo, guys? Maglambing na kayo ngayon sa akin. May mga tanong yan eh. Iba nahihiya lang.
Or pwede nila akong i-message Coach yan for their questions.
Opo. Again, i-add nyo po si RD Joy sa Facebook. Yan din po ang name niya. So, para mas makilala niyo po kami at ang BNI, kami Forbid. So, may lalabas po atang bago po. Depende po, no, kung meron po kami. So, ayun, may mga local, so baka iba to ko sa inyo. Depende kung nasa anong area kayo. Kaya lagi ko tinatanong kung anong area kayo para malay nyo, local sa inyo mapunta. So, malayo for me. So, pwede yun. May pera sa lokal. Di ba, RD, ang dami pong nangangailangan. Lalo yung mga startup business. Kasi mga startup business yung nasa BNI madalas. So, wala silang accountant. And ito yung time natin na tulungan sila. Yan. Opo. Yan. May nagtatanong yung batch 5 daw makakapasok sa batch 6.
Ano yung
Pwede
batch
naman,
6?
ano po kasi
sa chapter?
RD?
Chapter ba?
Doon po sa ano po namin, sa coaching po RD. Pero sa
okay.
chapter, let us know. Pag, bibigay ko po yung link sa Tuesday, 6:30.
Yeah, para mag-observe sila.
Mag-observe lang kayo doon. Tingnan nyo lang po how BNI works. 2 hours din po kami nandun. Matutuwa kayo makinig sa kanila. Okay?
Correct.